Hey everybody, burning the midnight oil here. I'm Breeze with Tortella Repair Services, and tonight we are going to attempt an iPad 5th gen NAND reball. So let's see how this goes. So this one right here is NAND. This is CPU. What I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna cover CPU first and put a little bit of this Captain tape. I'm not sure if that's even gonna do the trick, to be honest. Maybe put my Fandy and maybe just put the coin. I don't know, what do y'all think? Maybe both the coin and the thing, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, so we're ready. Put all the tape under the sun. So let's see if we can get this reball so we can have a successful day today, possibly a win. Okay, select some plugs.
So say tax the rich and they decide to tax side hustles. This is not surprising at all. And if you look through history, this is not something that really is hasn't happened before. If you look at when the income tax was introduced around 1913, please do correct me if I get this wrong. These figures are just coming from a book that I read 5 years ago. It was something like, I think it was a 1% tax if you made $3,000 or $4,500 in that income. But and this is in 1930.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently, thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes my dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll bleed on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now
Okay, let's find the stencil. Alright, found the stencil. Let's see.
We try to. We can't. I don't know if I can lock it completely off because you need access to get there. But
Okay.
there's a little door there. Yeah, it was weird seeing a window in the basement.
Oh.
So
What's
that's the
weird?
process. You're gonna have some questions that you're obviously gonna, you'll email. Okay, so if you message me with your email is, I will get back to you with all the. Email me.
Alright, let me find a different stencil, maybe?
Okay. And then
Alrighty, we found a stencil, thankfully. So I gotta make a note of it. If you ever do need to do a reball, you're gonna need a stencil for the 6S. Apparently that's the sweet spot, so yeah. Here we go. And the reason I'm using 183 is because I am definitely far more comfortable with it. I like how the balls go with this one. And this is for a reball. For such an important ship, you want to do whatever you are absolutely most confident with. You don't want to just put like a random one and hope it works, right?
Yeah, I don't think this is of any value, but.
Should go pretty dry enough. This is dry enough.
Yeah.
A little harder up here. Maybe too dry.
Yeah, it's easier. It's easier to replace that, and it's in a place where you can get it without having to no crane and all that. Yeah, how do we get in and out of here? HVAC guys.
Sure, these little ones. All the holes are good.
Yeah, there's plenty of them here. If they had to run them.
I'll scoop up the remainder.
That's the residential side of the building, yeah. That's great.
This one's maybe a little right here.
They can come in, they can come in right from here. You don't want to go in through the piece around. Well, if they're bringing in a unit like that, they're going to fit. No way we need to figure it out. So it's right through here. Do you have files? Because this is building the files, so building goes on files.
Let's clean up.
Well, we're like on the list. Yeah. We're getting files.
There we go. Clean that up.
2048.
There we go.
Spectrum is a place.
Looking good. So far, so good. Yep.
Yeah, I would want to do some kind of ventilation in this
So we're
room.
gonna do
This would be shipping and receiving.
335, 65 airflow.
We just have to make sure it's comfortable.
I'm gonna maybe not this tweezers, let's use this tweezers maybe. There we go.
This is NUD. So that wall that I told
You want to start far away? I know you guys can't really see that well right now.
Our space is so small, the sink is so small, you can't put a water bottle out. Take that back, then I call it. Hey, Paul. Oh, okay. So there's no. Well, you know, I was going to say, I don't think there's a reason.
Boom. There you go. That looks fantastic. That looks incredible. Yes, perfect. That looks amazing. Now we're just gonna follow a little bit more flux on the ball. Make sure that they're all even. Oh, beautiful. Let that cool down for a second and then clean it up. See what happens. Moment of truth, right?
Yeah, so it's the first thing that was on the see how this line was created by either the charger or the battery.
Yeah, but it's not too short.
Yeah, so I don't want to let the battery interfere with that. So you're gonna do this.
Which makes.
And you have no light.
Yeah.
That was what you told me on the phone when you called the other day. See, 12 volts on the fuse, but it keeps going up and down between 12 and 7.
Yeah.
And I move that so the watching audience can see. And so on PP by we're supposed to have PP by stream 3 high. You get 12 and 7. 12 and 7. Now the rail that you had told me over the phone that you thought was missing was PP3 before
Yeah.
2. So let's check over here. We actually have PP3 before 2. We have
Yeah, so that
steady
was
3.42 volts.
Yeah, so now I check it once more. And then it's
Alright, so let's take the board out and see what it looks like under the microscope.
I didn't have all the screws.
You actually look like you took out most of the screws.
Yeah, I took
you
both,
gotta-
just I didn't have the cord, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because Apple
Okay,
is
so-
special to get to this cord.
You ready?
Apple is special and they have to use cords. High five. I like this kid already. So do this.
Okay. Went up to 100 milliamps, and then it got stuck there, and then it went back down to like 0.09, So it's very possible I what's called what's what I'm looking for? I floated CPU, or maybe it was a rat reball. Gonna ask around in the groups and see what advice they give me. But this was one that we were hoping would work. So you know, if it didn't, it's like no harm, no foul, or it didn't work. So we were just hoping maybe, since I've improved so much in the past year, that I could potentially get it to work. But you know, sometimes it's just about continuing to try, and eventually I get it, right? Alright guys, thank you so much for staying put for this very, very almost long hour. You guys are troopers. Thank you so much, and I still need to figure out how to edit this stuff, so yeah, alright, have a good night.